If you're not happy with one screen on your cell phone, we present to you the Vivo Nex dual screen. 2 AMOLED screen just for your entertainment, just for your powerful and skillful needs of having a smartphone with 2 screens. They're so big, you'll need more fingers to work with it. Oh shit, what is this? Finger. As for finger, well, it's finger. This is Charlie. We'll see you. Hey guys, if this is the first time in the channel, please subscribe to our channel, activate the bell, because you'll never lose some of our content, because it's gonna be great. Today we have for you the Vivo Nex dual screen, the futuristic smartphone of 2019. This for us was a very big surprise because in 2018 we were checking out the smartphones, Chinese smartphones, who were actually given more technological advancements than Apple and Samsung. And today we have for you the best technological advancement in the world. And it's brought to you by Vivo. Vivo Nex, it's a Chinese company. This is the front panel. Amazingly, it has 2 OLED screens, full HD both of them, and it's so futuristic that you have to see it for yourself. It's like magic. You have to have it in your hands, but we're gonna see it. We took the time to configure it afterwards, so check it out. This is the front screen of the Vivo Nex dual screen. It's an amazing phone. It has an amazing color. It's not too heavy. It feels premium. And the magic of this is actually the dual screen. It's a high-end phone because it has all the best and the newer chips inside. It has 128 gigabytes of storage. We have 10 gigabytes of RAM. Tell me another phone that has 10 gigabytes of RAM. Overkill? Maybe, but it has 10 gigabytes of RAM. It runs on Android 9 and it has 2 full HD screens, AMOLED HD screens. This is the front one. And check out the smooth transition between the front and the back panel. You swipe with 3 fingers and ta-da, it's on the front. You wanna see it again? Yes, me too. With 3 fingers, you swipe again, ta-da. Very futuristic, very nice. What's the point of having 2 screens? You ask. Yeah, we tell you. Vivo says the point of having 2 screens is you have a borderless screen without bezels, no notch. That's very important. No notch. And the back panel serves the purpose precisely of selfies. You know how much Chinese people like to take selfies and beautify them to the point that became another person? Well, this is no exception. This panel serves the purpose of activating your camera like this, and you can actually take a very good selfie. You can be 10 or 50 years younger with all the beauty and all the filters that the Chinese people activate, like this. That's one of the purpose of the back panel. Actually, we're amazed that to have 2 panels in one smartphone. It's not that heavy, it's not so thick. If you can see, it's actually around like an iPhone XS Max, the thickness. And having 2 screens, maybe it's a gimmick, maybe not, but for us, it's amazing. One other point that Vivo says the back screen is used for, we make the transition again. When you're playing a game in this screen, you can use the back screen to achieve a lot of other controls without losing your thumbs while you're playing. That's amazing because you can fire in a shooter game, you can fire with your fingers in the screen, so that's another use for this screen. Besides, if you want to save a little battery, you can always use this screen if you're on a low battery, and it will draw less energy than with this one. So it's an amazing phone. We hope you like it. We're very excited to have it in our channel. If you like this video, please subscribe and activate the bell so you don't lose any of our content. I am Chuy Martinez. This is the channel Propulsivo, and we're so happy to be with you. We're so happy to see you. Stay with us because we have a lot of unboxings, a lot of review, and this one, we start the year with the right foot. We see you later.
We have ignition sequence start.